Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Prompt Engineering Mastery. Guiding your LLM like a pro. Imagine you have a super smart new assistant, but they don't know exactly what you want until you tell them. Prompt engineering is simply the art and science of giving your AI assistant the best possible instructions so it can do exactly what you need. It's how we developers, and even non-tech folks, learn to talk to AI effectively and unlock its full potential. Before we guide it, what is an LLM? LLM stands for Large Language Model. Think of it as an incredibly vast digital library combined with a super creative writer. It's trained on tons of text from the internet, so it knows about almost everything and can generate human-like text. As a developer, you'll be interacting with these powerful models through simple text inputs, your prompts. At its heart, prompt engineering is like giving a specific command to a program or a query to a database. You provide text, your prompt, and the LLM gives you text back, its response. Our goal is to make sure our input instructions are so good that the output is exactly what we hoped for. It's your primary interface for unlocking the LLM's power and getting useful work done. Just like writing good code documentation or defining clear function parameters, your prompts need to be crystal clear. Be specific. Don't just say, write about dogs. Say, write a 3-paragraph blog post about the benefits of owning a golden retriever for first-time pet owners. Using a friendly, encouraging tone. The more detail, the better. Be concise. Get straight to the point. Remove unnecessary fluff. Think of it as writing efficient code. Every word in your prompt should serve a purpose. Imagine you're building a feature that needs specific rules. You wouldn't just tell a developer, build a login page. You'd add constraints. Must have username, password. Forgot password link. Validate input. Similarly, for LLMs, context. You are a customer service agent, or the following is a medical report. This sets the scene, or provides background information. Constraints. Keep the response under 100 words, format as JSON, answer in a formal tone. These are your guardrails that shape the AI's output. Just like software development, prompt engineering is an iterative process. You won't always get it right on the first try. 1. Prompt. Write your initial instruction. 2. Run. Send it to the LLM. 3. Review. Look at the output. Is it good? Is it bad? Why? 4. Refine. Adjust your prompt based on the review. Add more detail. Remove ambiguity. Clarify constraints. This cycle of test and improve is crucial for mastering prompt engineering and achieving desired results. Once you're comfortable, you can get fancy. Role-playing. Tell the AI to act as a senior software engineer explaining cloud computing to a new intern. This helps shape its persona and tone. Few-shot prompting. Give the AI a few examples of input-output pairs to show it exactly what you expect. For example, input, apple, output, fruit, input, carrot, output, vegetable, input, banana, output. This is like providing unit tests for your desired AI behavior. These techniques allow for even more precise control over the LLM's responses. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.